Is your PC running slow or low on storage? In this quick guide, I will show you how to delete all Windows Update files on Windows 11 and 10 to free up space and boost performance. Go to Search. In Search, type Services. Right-click on Services and click on Run as Administrator. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on Windows Update and click on Stop. To stop Windows Update service, now minimize Services window. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC. Go to C drive. Click on Windows. Scroll down and find Software Definitions. Click on it. Now click on Download. You will find lots of files and folders here. Press Ctrl+A to select all and then press Shift+Delete to delete all files and folders permanently. On confirmation notifications, click on Yes. You will need administrator permission to delete these items. Click on Do this all for current items checkbox. Then click on Continue. That's it. You just reclaimed storage space and improved PC performance in under a minute. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows optimization tips.